If you are looking for the perfect Scottsdale vacation home, then look no further. The Turquoise House Scottsdale is a modern collection of back-to-back properties located in desirable North Scottsdale. The Turquoise North house and Turquoise South house can be rented individually or together for larger groups. Both homes are beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath properties, loaded with amenities for the perfect stay. Relax and enjoy the indoors with modern design and finishes, well-stocked kitchens, comfortable and stylish bedrooms, and televisions throughout the properties. The outdoor spaces will charm you with beautiful swimming pools and putting greens. Close to shopping, restaurants, spring training, recreation, and so much more. You won't find a more relaxing place to stay in North Scottsdale, Arizona. For more information and to book your next vacation, visit turquoisehousescottsdale.com.